Hey everyone, welcome back to Inner Wellness TV. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and educational: how touch can influence arousal. Specifically, we'll explore 3 key areas on the body that can have a significant impact when touched. Ready to learn? Let's get started. Now, before we dive in, let's set the stage. The human body is incredibly sensitive, and understanding how touch affects arousal can enhance intimacy and communication in relationships. Today, we're focusing on 3 specific areas of the body and how they can influence sexual arousal. Remember, consent and mutual comfort are key in all interactions. Sexual arousal is a complex interplay of physical, emotional, and psychological factors. Different parts of the body can be highly sensitive, and stimulating these areas can lead to heightened arousal. Let's explore 3 such areas and why they're so impactful. 1. The neck. First up is the neck. The neck is not only a sensitive area, but also a place where many people find stimulation pleasurable. The skin on the neck is delicate and packed with nerve endings, making it highly responsive to touch. Light kisses, gentle strokes, or even the soft brush of your fingertips can stimulate this area and create a sense of intimacy and excitement. For many, the neck is an erogenous zone because it's connected to feelings of trust and closeness. Light touches or whispers near this area can trigger a physical and emotional response, enhancing arousal. The sensitivity of the neck is due to its rich supply of nerve endings and its proximity to other sensitive areas, like the ears and collarbone. This makes it a great place to start if you're looking to build arousal slowly and intentionally. 2. The inner wrist. Next, let's talk about the inner wrist. This might surprise some, but the inner wrist is a highly sensitive area for many people. The skin here is thin and sensitive, making it responsive to touch. Gentle caresses or even a soft kiss can elicit a strong reaction. The inner wrist is often overlooked, but can be incredibly effective in stimulating arousal. The sensitivity in this area can be attributed to the abundance of nerve endings and the vulnerability associated with this part of the body. It's a subtle but potent area for touch. The emotional context also plays a role here. A touch on the inner wrist can create a feeling of intimacy and trust, enhancing the overall experience. It's a subtle way to connect and communicate affection. 3. The inner thigh. Host. Finally, we have the inner thigh. This area is well known for its sensitivity and is often considered a key erogenous zone. The skin here is soft and responsive, and gentle touches or caresses can significantly increase arousal. The inner thigh is close to other sensitive areas and is often stimulated indirectly through foreplay or intimate touch. It's a region that responds well to light touches and can build anticipation and excitement. The sensitivity of the inner thigh comes from the concentration of nerve endings and the intimate nature of the touch. It's an area that can be both pleasurable and intimate, enhancing the overall experience. Understanding these sensitive areas can be incredibly useful in fostering better intimacy and communication in relationships. However, it's essential to remember that everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another, and communication is key. Always ensure that any touch is consensual and respectful. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. What are some ways you found effective in enhancing intimacy and connection? Share with us. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, understanding each other's needs and preferences can lead to more fulfilling and respectful relationships. Until next time, take care and keep communicating. See you in the next video.